how to use fill command in Minecraft. So this will work both for Java and Bedrock edition. So first, what you need to do is show the coordinates, and for Bedrock, what you need to do is click on escape, go to settings, and go to game right here, and scroll down to the bottom till you see show coordinates. So just simply click on that to show your coordinates right there. And for Java edition, what you need to do is just simply click on F3 on your keyboard, and it will reveal the XYZ coordinates in your Minecraft game. So next, I'm just going to go to an open space here. So I'm right here, so I have the coordinates right there. So I'm planning to make like a huge wall of diamond or block of diamond. So what I can do is just get a block in my inventory, and I'm just going to remember this position. So it's 24464 I'm just going to get a picture of that and take it down so that I have my feature reference. I'm just going to put a block right here, just like so. And I'm just going to take a picture of that again. So it's 70. Now, I'm just going to remove all of this. And I'm going to input the code or the command. I'm just going to go back a little. So now just enter your chat box right here. And once you're here, you simply need to type in /fill. Then type in the XYZ coordinates that we had earlier. So it was 244, 64, and 268. And I want to make a block of diamonds for like 248, then 70, then maybe 273, just like so. And then just click on space again, and we're going to put a diamond block right here. So diamond underscore block, then click on enter. As you can see, it will automatically make that diamond, and when we go through it, it's just diamond all throughout. And that's how you basically use fill commands in Minecraft in Java and Bedrock edition.